Okay, so today I will be demoing my Java Developer Bootcamp project, where to create an app with Spring Boot, Postgres, SQL, JPA, Swagger, and JWT. So I'm going to go over my application now. So here we have the authentication page where you can log in or register a user. I'm going to log in, and now I am directed to a chatbot. So before I begin, I'm just going to explain what the application is all about. So this is a event AI. It is a Spring Boot-based event management application that allows authenticated users to create, manage, and organize events securely. It uses JWT-based authentication with Spring security, and it's used to protect the API endpoints, and it also enforces the stateless access control. So what this AI does is it just tells you of any upcoming events for a certain category. So I'm going to explain it now. So here we have a prompt that says, "Hey, I'm Leo. Tell me what you're in the mood for: tech, music, cooking, or Christmas." So I'm going to start with hey, and then here it lists all the categories. I'll go with tech. And here it says hot tech picks. Here we have one a AI and tech meetup in Johannesburg, and it tells you the description of the event. Now I'm going to go to Swagger, and here we this is where I'll send my get put post and delete request. So I'm going to start with a post request. Okay, let me just remove this. I'm going to say a Stranger Things event. Um, a description, maybe a movie night at Cardiff. And then I'll execute it. Okay, so we got to set this to 100. Just to make sure that it does exist, I'll send a get request. And here we have the strangest thing event. Okay, so now I can also get the event by the specific ID. Just go with 3 and execute. And here we have the strangest thing event. Let me just. And now I can do a put request for the certain ID. So we can change the title. Let me just get it. Okay, so I'll just say maybe I'll just say a party and I'll execute it just to see the changes. We got a status 200. I'll send a get request now. And here we can see the updated description. And now I can also delete it by the ID. So I'll execute it. We got a 204 with no response, so I'll just make sure that that event is deleted. And now we can only see ID 1 exist. So that is it for Swagger. Now I'm going to my PostgreSQL. So here I created a table for my users, and I created a table for the events. So here I inserted samples into users. So here we you can see it has the name and the email, and then also sample events, the AI Tech meetup in Johannesburg, a music festival, and yeah, we can see the events if I run these. And we can see that over here. Now, going into the code, um, I'm going to start with the backend. So here we have our config folder.